why the glass. Do you feel safer today than you felt yesterday? I know I don't. But biggest, most expensive military in the world, and we're still scared of few and tiny white dogs at the airport. Why is that? Because soldiers are built to take orders and fight war. But we, my friends, are not at war. We are at peril. That's why. Come on. Matt, you want to diet? You ain't hungry? Some safety so what's gonna dance somewhere in the world? Come on, yeah. You know who does feel safe? The men in charge. The world leaders, the top shelf par excellence Ayatollahs, and that's because those fighters, somewhere along the way, made a deal with the devil. They traded liberty for safety. And us, we the people, ended up losing both. That's why Triple A. While everybody else is stuck on the ground, we're going to on the board nobody's ever even seen before.
Always was that a spy could say something.
What do you say?
Non so, sto giocando.
Sound easy.
Reloading! Cover me!
Who said there's no such thing as free?
Lost the lead. It's too close. Eliminated! Time
Oh, you say you're your hero. I gotta go, boy. You're exactly the kind of hero the world needs. At the end of the day, it comes down to the same question I've been asking my wife every Friday night for the last 20 years. Do you want some of this?
It's too close.
Over down!
This is the device to track the satellite. I killed Gibbons. Nerds in the lab have claimed it to Pandora's box.
Changing mag!
My team backtracks the satellite's last signal input and later. In the highlight of the Ritz-Carlton penthouse, so I can hold a rope ransom. 3 flashbangs, 2 bullets, and 1 body bag later, we took custody of the device.
We must have over 100 redundancies in place to prevent some punk with a laptop from hijacking the
And
satellite.
Pandora's box can bypass all of them.
Changing mag!
It can eavesdrop on secure communications. Corrupt military software, transmit false intelligence, or launch a satellite out of the sky like a goddamn tactical warhead. One of you is behind this, and I am not leaving here until I come back with you.
Headshot!
almost there. Keep it up. Tied for the lead.
Changing back.
You've taken the lead. It's too close. Fight harder. Lost the lead.
Target down.
You've taken the lead. Tied for the lead. Lost the lead.
Pick out the best of the best and create someone who can help you. We need someone. You can walk into a tornado and come out the other side with your hands and your
Cover me. Reloading.
Mau tebus smartphone 200.000?
Taking the lead. Keep on it.
Ini apa? Ada nama ke yang
He's back up.
Just another day. Job.
Yang